Okay. If you were called in by a teacher to come into class on Friday and you didn't come, what would be the consequence of that? Would it just be your grade? Would it be the teacher's discretion?
Well, we'll take the consequences actually in two phases. Number one is if you were invited and let's say you had under 70%, which meant ineligible. If you didn't come, then you know you're ineligible. Now that may or may not mean anything to you or a student, but that's the first part that would definitely happen. You didn't come, you're ineligible. So that would affect anything that's going on the next week. But on the other side, I'll let you take the other side, like what actually ends up occurring to you, and I can finish it up.
And this is something I think that is still kind of a work in progress as far as a set in stone answer. I don't know that there is one necessarily right now because we're working on that to try to figure out and determine consequences for this. Because the big consequence is what he just said. You're ineligible. And that to me is big enough. You've got a D or an F. And so obviously we want to keep our kids accountable. Here we go to that word again. And so there will be things that we're working on and we were talking about, we've been kind of throwing out there, looking at like a first time is like a conference between me and that person, whoever it is. Hey, I see that you were invited by Mr. Jacobson last Friday. You didn't go. So you're going to need to get it together. That would be like a first time.